Equal in the human rights, yes, sure.
You have given women in your country their human rights. What about equal in intelligence?
Well, there are cases, sure. You can always have some exceptions and find fantastic women.
Here and there.
But yes, but on the average.
Do you feel your wife can govern as well as a man?
I prefer not to answer.
But you have made your wife the regent of this country. If you should die, your wife heads this country, and yet you're not certain that she can govern as well as a man?
I can't say.
Say something, Your Majesty. How do you feel when you listen to this?
What can I say?